Hi, welcome to Counseling 144, Reasoning and Problem Solving. My name's Shannon Muir, and I'm a counselor here at Santa Ana College, and I will be your instructor for this course. One of the first things I want to show you is the course info link. So if you could click on that, it will take you to information on our course, and you can click through this module. So welcome. I'm excited you've decided to take this class. This is a link to your course syllabus, which we will have a quiz on. If you click next, you will go to a Canvas course tour. So this is really important to watch if you've never taken an online class before. These helpful tips will make this class so much easier for you to navigate. This is my information, the instructor contact link. This is my email, but I'd prefer if you just directly emailed me through Canvas, through your inbox. This is your inbox. So very easy to do. Just pull down and you can email me directly, and I'll get back to you within 48 hours, Monday through Friday, and usually quicker than that. I have a little bio here about my family and my love for community college. So when you have time, go back and explore that. Now, another important tip would be to configure your settings in Canvas. You can get notifications when there's an assignment due, when someone has responded to your discussion on the discussion board, if something's been graded. These are all notifications that you really want to set in your preferences if you haven't already. Add a profile picture. This is big because how we participate in online classes is through your attendance and by making connections with other students. So it's really important that we can see you and get to know you. Also, Canvas is available through mobile apps that make it really easy for you to post things, find information, read, watch videos. So you want to see how to do that and upload those apps onto your phone. There are definitely course etiquette rules that I'd like you to read through. It's a place where we really want everyone to feel safe and participating. So please read through those and follow those guidelines. There is a link called General Course Questions. So this is a wonderful place to, if you have a general question that maybe other students are also wondering about, you would click this reply button, and the first line would be the subject. So maybe it's, how do I take the syllabus quiz? And then you would ask your question after that. And then you post your reply, and other students will be able to see my answer. Here's course information summary, just what we went through today. So again, welcome to Reasoning and Problem Solving. My name's Shannon Muir, and I look forward to getting to know you better.